welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SJ with Real Beauty, Real Food in Real Life. I got an IPSY unboxing for you. And it's for the month of March. Got it already, and I'm about to show it to ya. Unopened, so I'm going to be surprised too. Because I know that they send out emails, but I don't get to looking at the emails to try to find out what's going to be on there. I like to be surprised. Alright, so as you all know, IPSY is the monthly makeup subscription, makeup and skincare subscription that they offer for $10 a month, okay? $10. Now, a lot of people complain, oh, you only get a couple of full-size products and samples. You spend $10 a month. You don't pay no extra for shipping and handling. It's all included, and you at least get 2 full-size products, which the way these makeup products cost these days is so well worth it, okay? Because by the time you buy the 2 full-size samples, you didn't pay more, way more than $10. All right, so this month, oh, cute, comes in a nice bag. Now, this one's a lot bigger than the one they normally do. These bags are really cool to put your makeup on, makeup in. You can take it with you, you know, put it in your travel bag. It's neat. This one doesn't say IPSY like they usually do, but it's definitely a bigger size one. So even if you shopped at the Dollar Tree, it wouldn't be this cute, but it's still. By the time we open it up, let's see what we got. All right, so they always include some kind of cute little card. And this says, great IPSY, March 2018. At least I think that word is great. I don't know. It might not be. Y'all tell me. Did they spell it wrong? G-R-E-A-T? I don't know. Greet? I don't know. Yeah, I'm dumb today. Alright, so it gives you a little saying on the back. And this month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space. Smash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade. We be doing that all the time with eyeshadow, right? Rethink your wardrobe. Actually, I did that with my lipstick I got on now. Yeah, because I got the Kat Von D mixed with a little of, what is it, strawberry? Yeah, I dropped it. Strawberry clear. Okay, yeah, you do that. All right, turn your Instagram pics into real-life gallery. Dust off your guitar and start strumming, dance, sing, skull. Right, it's time to create the masterpiece. And here's what we got for this month's masterpiece. First item we got, this is a triple action exfoliator. It is by Truefora. It is 0.5 fluid ounces, so I would say that this is probably a sample. The next thing we have is a Free Matic eyeshadow. Okay. And I haven't heard of this. It looks like it's called Deuce. Okay, so this is the one that you would put in one of those magnetic trays where you just sit it in the tray and it just clings right there. I'm going to try it out real quick here. Put some color on. Okay. There you go. So it's a little light for me, but I can still see it. There you go. And you'll just put that in your little tray, magnetic tray. And if you had last month's IPSY, Ofra sent you one of those trays, so you can stick that right on in that tray. All right, so now we've got a Glamo Brow. So this is an eyebrow pencil. I can't tell. I'm sure it's probably black. Yeah. I hate when they put all this plastic on there. You know, this stuff is hard to take off. It's like, come on. Get this out. There we go. Once you get the good look to it. Okay. Oh, no. It's, a brow. It's for your brow. Yeah, it is for your brows. So it is like a brow brush. Because it doesn't have any color in it. Okay, that's interesting. Aha! It does have another N. So You put your brows on, and then you brush them. Okay, that's a different thing. That's not a sample. You can't sample these things. Well, you probably could, but that's not a sample size. Then you have, this is something different. When I seen this, IPSY Create. All right, so I don't know exactly what it is. And it's not like the BoxyCharm and it shows you what it is. This is something, you know, this is different. Well, it's a pink and a blue marker. Now, this actually smells like a marker. Now, if it's some other kind of color, it doesn't tell me exactly what it is. But since it says IPSY Create, and then the little brochure that I had read was talking about create a masterpiece, I'm going to guess these are really markers. Now, I guess you could probably put them on you, but, yeah, I don't think that's what I'm going to do with mine. Then, a nice little cute brush. Oh, love that color. I love that color. Oh, my. That's nice. All right, so that is Amory Glam SL number 41. Yeah, let's take that out. Okay, so yeah, you know, when you get old, you can see it, but you can't see it. They try to be cute with it. So see, it's got the little rhinestones in there. Now you read the name, because, yeah, it's so cursive. I just ain't gonna get it. All right. But it is definitely cute. Ooh, ooh, cute. Cute, cute. I like that, though. I like it. It will be in the collection. And the last thing that we got in this bag is, it's called Sex Kitten. Okay. And this looks like a big sample of an eyeliner. Nice eyeliner, though. Very convenient. Very convenient. This is the kind of stuff, sample or not, you stick it in your purse. And you always got eyeliner, and it doesn't take up room. That's what you need. Something that don't take up room. That's cute. I like that. I like that color on me, too. That's BF54. And again, that's by Sex Kitten. All right, so that's your things for IPSY this month. Definitely check IPSY out. I have the links down below. You can definitely sign up. $10 a month. Give it as a gift subscription. Yes, it's not that expensive. And yes, you do get some sample sizes, but they're nice size samples, and you get some full size. You're not going to find this brush for $10. This is too pretty. Not going to find that. Okay. And this here, the brow pencil with the brush, yeah, these two alone are probably a total of probably $30. So then you got the full size sample. Even Sephora don't give you samples this size. So yeah, this is this month's IPSY for March. And oh, and don't forget the little eyeshadow palette that I have here. You just put it in last month's little collection from the Offer collection, and then you have a little put together eyeshadows of things you like. All right, so if you have any concerns or questions, comment below, and don't forget to like it. I need you to hit that like button. I want to get this video up to 10 likes this week, okay? This is your girl SJ with Real Beauty, real food, and this happens in real life. IPSY is the $10 makeup subscription. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Whew, I'm hungry. I'm so freaking hungry. Oh, wait. Am I still recording? Y'all, water. Oh. Don't forget to check me out on Snapchat. This is your girl SJ. I'm out. Bye.